Hello everyone, today I'd like to demonstrate about how to create isometric cubes with rounded corners and smooth edges, just like this. Let's jump right in. First of all, I'm gonna go to View, Create an Axis. On preset, I'll choose 64 x 32 pixel isometric with planes. Then I'll click Show Grid. In advance, I'm gonna make sure Create Plane Set is checked. So I have the isometric panel here. If after you check the Create Plane Set and you find the preset is not selected, then you can reselect again. I'm gonna make the grid lines a bit clearer so it's easier to see. Now let's close the window. Next I'm gonna select the rectangle tool, then I'll head to the isometric panel and make sure Edit in Plane is activated. I'll select top. Let me zoom in a little, and I'll draw the top plane. Now I'll select side, draw the side plane, and click front to draw the front plane. I can close down the isometric panel now and turn off the grid by pressing Ctrl and apostrophe. Next, let's give them colors. Imagine the light is coming from the top left, so I'll click the top plane and I'll choose red. But since it's the top plane, it's supposed to be light red. I'll change the stroke color to none. Now the side plane, I'll give it a slightly darker red and change the stroke color to none. And for the front, I'll make it a bit darker and change the stroke color to none as well. We can see the cube now. Okay, next, I'll grab the pen tool and draw a large shape surrounding the cube. Now I'll give it a color, maybe a lighter red. And I'll make sure the stroke is set to none. Then I'll select all the three shapes that form the cube and move them under the large shape I just made. Now click on the large shape layer, select the corner tool, and you can see all nodes of the large shape. Select them all, and drag any corner to round them. This is enough for me. You can see the outer corners are rounded now, but this corner and also these edges still look sharp. So let's select the three shapes, right-click and group them so I can apply the filter at once. Now I'll click Filters and click Gaussian Blur. Slide the radius. 5 pixels is enough for me. Click Close. And you can see now the corner and edges look smooth and give an impression of being rounded as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.